It's a night which started with much anticipation. Portmore were seeking their 6th hold on the National Premier League title, while Waterhouse were seeking their 3rd. It would take 90 minutes, plus possibly extra time and the dreaded penalty shootout to separate these two teams. It was a final which was unlike the previous encounters since the playoff format was introduced. Both teams started rather conservatively, with chances coming few and far between. The lone goalmouth activity of the first half fell to Portmore United, but Waterhouse's Sean Laws was on spot to clear the ball from the line. Waterhouse started the second half playing more enterprising football, and goal-scoring opportunities came as a result, the best of which was a one-on-one opportunity for Andre McFarlane, but he was denied by the upright. That would be a miss that would haunt the Jerusalem-based team, as despite their efforts, 90 minutes and extra time elapsed without a goal being scored. The lottery, that is a penalty shootout, then ensued, and goalkeeper KEMAR Foster proved the star of the spot kicks. He first denied KEMAR Beckford with the first kick of the shootout, and with his team remaining perfect, Foster then denied Carlos Barrett to make sure the team won the shootout 4-3.
We're happy. We were confident all season. From the onset we wanted to dominate. We know this game was going to be very tight because seeing Waterhouse play the last couple of games, they sit behind the ball and hope that their front four would create for them. Nevertheless, they got their chances, we got ours as well, but in the end, we deserve it.
And Foster, whose shot-stopping heroics was the difference, says he was never afraid of the big moment.
To be honest, I'm always ready. Always ready. My goalkeeper coach always put me on the edge, so I should stay ready for anything happen. I can take the chance, and I really pull it off today. I want to give Coach Andrew a very thanks for making me pull this off tonight.
And you'd expect disappointment from a losing coach in a big final, but Donovan DUCKIE was anything but.
You think I'm disappointed? I'm not disappointed. I'm not disappointed at all. What I can tell you is that we played an exceptionally good game. No one thought that this team in November, when I took them up, could have been in the 2018 finals. And we were competing at the highest level with the 3-time consecutive finalists. I was prepared to lose, I was prepared to win, because with good preparation then comes the element of luck. It wasn't on our side, and I thought we did exceptionally well. We had a wonderful season, and you have to say congratulations to Portmore, because they really deserved it.
And so after 90 minutes, 2 periods of extra time, plus the dreaded penalty shootout, Portmore United gained their 6th hold on the National Premier League title. Reporting from the National Stadium, I'm Jordan Forte for TVJ Sports.